Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So TRB video, I don't know if this is for the first time or I've done this video before, but I really feel bad for people who are into TRB. Someone was telling me, or they did actually mention on Discord, by the way, click on the top right link of the description, or just go into the description of the video to enter my Discord. And I've seen that, yeah, people are asking me what's going on with TRB. TRB is really pumping to the upside. What should we do? And I was really surprised, like this thing really pushed up in just some couple of days. You have this first move, and then it just keeps pumping, it keeps pumping, it keeps pumping, and then you have this massive euphoria. All right, so this is the market level called euphoria right over here. This is where people are ready to commit. Like, this thing is flying, it's never going to stop, and you forget to be realistic with the market. Euphoria is dangerous, and right now you are at the fear level at the moment. We still might see some little bit of a push because that has been one hell of a very big sell-off, and we're talking about a 71.96% push to the upside. And prior to that, in just one day, we saw it going up 136%. This is crazy. What's going on in crypto, right? What's going on in crypto? But out of 100,000 coins out there, you are going to see some coins that do behave like this. Now at the moment, if you look at the RSI has come really down, but you still have chances of the RSI trying to push a little bit lower. So I may say the next support of the RSI is pretty much down towards these levels right over there. So you can actually see something like this, right? So if you had to go even further low to the downside, we may actually see another push down, and this one may actually push down to the oversold level of the RSI. Because if you check the RSI, that's where you pretty much went 1, 2, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, and we still may see one more push again to touch this trend line, and that has been the best place to buy once again. So the RSI does suggest we do have a little bit of a window opened up for another leg down, and let's see how the chart patterns look like. I think the candles are reversing. You see the candles on the daily though, you have a very long high frequency spinning top, high frequency doji. This is known as high frequency doji when you have a very long wick, a very long tail, and a very small body in the middle. These are high frequencies because, again, as the name says, they're really high in their appearance. Now you have a chance of coming to this support to retest it. Okay, this is where you broke, and that's where you continued. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 break above, really pushed up, coming down, dirty retest, and we still may see another leg down to come and try to retest $140 and maybe pump back from $140 if you take down 163. So I think stop loss should be placed at 163. If you're not going to go below 163, we have a chance of actually seeing this thing taking off. Once again, maybe TA may not really resonate with what this coin is doing. Okay, we might see TA being thrown out of the window, but if I had to go with some TA, I think it would be a good idea to see things coming down and turn this resistance previously into support, and it makes more sense to buy at the support because you're using chart reading, and yeah, it gets into your advantage as well if you're going to use chart reading. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.